Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I'm going to give my review of Old Spice Nomad Deodorant Body Spray. But before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, this is the bottle of Old Spice Nomad Deodorant Body Spray. We can see that this is a red color bottle and in the center of the bottle they have mentioned that Old Spice Nomad Deodorant Body Spray. Also, they have given the image of coconut tree over here. And just below that, they have mentioned that 0% gas and 24-hour freshness. This means that this bottle has 0% gas and the smell of this deodorant lasts up to 24 hours. Now let's see what is there at the right side of the bottle. Again on the right side they have given the Old Spice logo and they have mentioned Nomad. They also mentioned that classically masculine but distinctly refined. This fragrance experience envelops with warm notes of amber, freshened by spicy, creamy, and woody top notes. They've also given the direction how to use this deodorant. They've also given the ingredients over here. You can pause the video and have a look at it. They mention the net quantity of this bottle, that is 140 ml, and it weighs up to 115 grams. We also have the barcode over here. The MRP of this bottle is 249 rupees. Now I will try this Old Spice Nomad deodorant body spray and will share you my experience about it. Guys, smell wise, this deodorant doesn't have the strong smell and it is good when you are traveling outside anywhere. It is also good when you are going out for any parties. You can easily apply it on your body and can then go for any parties. Price wise also, this is priced at rupees 249 which is not that expensive. And this deodorant is easily available in any of the medical store or any of the cosmetic stores. So guys, you can give it a try and let me know your thoughts and feedback about it in the comment section below. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational and helpful to you. Before ending this video, I would like to inform you guys that we are a community and to support this community we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.